Do you know that you can grow your Instagram in a fun way? So Instagram, they have this feature called achievements. So it's achievements on Instagram. This is a place where you can get badges for all the achievement that you have received, whether it has reached a certain milestone for post likes, the amount of reels you post and things like that. So there are actually badges or credits that you earn based on the accomplishment that you have in your account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access this achievement, have a look at it, and maybe have some fun with it. Now without further ado, let's jump into my phone. Now why I only go to phone? Because this feature I don't see in my computer. I was searching around but I can't find it, and I can only see it through my phone. And another disclaimer I need to put here, this feature is not available whole world yet, so it's limited to certain countries. So if you don't have, just wait. And your Instagram account have to be in the professional or in the business mode. Okay, so let's jump into it. Alright, so go to your Instagram account, tap on the bottom right your picture, and then you can see this thing called professional dashboard. So you cannot use your personal Instagram, you need to convert it into business or creator account to be able to view this professional dashboard. I have another video to show you how to do that. You can click somewhere here and there. Okay, so now let's go to professional dashboard. Then you can see all the information here. Then you can see this wonderful thing called achievement. Click on it, and from here you get to see all the badges that you have gotten throughout. So you can click on here, you can see you have 50 post impression, 100 plays, which is not a lot. Okay, I created 125 reels. You can view insights and things like that. So you can even have the challenges. So they gamify the Instagram growth, make it more interesting for creators. So you can start the reels creation challenge, plays challenge, post and reel challenge. Then you can get more achievement and get more badges. This could be quite interesting and can be served as an encouragement for you to grow your Instagram account. So you can see here, celebrate your program with achievement. You can even learn more, just if you want to read more. So basically it's just like I said, it is just to encourage you to grow on Instagram. Okay, hope you like what I share. Hope you find this interesting. I find this pretty cool as well when I see people posting their badges and achievements here, and I thought sharing it with you all. If you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you, and I see you next time. Goodbye.